everyone, I'm your friend Jyoti Tiwari, and today I'm going to show you my hanging garden which I have made by used water bottle and ice cream cups. As you all know that while summer season we are using water bottle and ice cream cups, and after using it we throw it here and there and on the street, and this create soil pollution, as well as these all are non-biodegradable sources. So let's see how we can reuse it and increase the beauty of our houses. Let's glass bottle can be used for planting the small plants, and this is the ice cream cup which can be used for planting the small plant, and these are used water bottle which I have used for planting the small plants. You can also use waste and used water bottle and increase the beauty of your houses as well as save the environment.